Hi, Math 157 students. I wanted to talk about one of the problems from homework. It's problem number 5, and it seems to be a lot of students are asking me questions about it, so I thought I'd go ahead and talk about it with you. If you're doing your homework, this particular problem is going to be problem number 5 on the homework. Just move this up. So you're going to find it as problem number 5. And it's saying if you have coins and you're placing coins into a vending machine, that vending machine is configured to accept coins between a certain range, 5.459 grams and 5.639 grams, with a mean of 5.549 grams and a standard deviation of 0.56. And part A says if you input coins one at a time, 270 of them, how many of them do you expect to reject? Well, again, this is a normal model with your mean is 5.549 and your standard deviation is 0.56. So if you look at it this as a picture, the rejected ones are in the tails here. So if you want to find out how many are going to reject, you need to find the probability or the area under that curve. So you're going to use your calculator and you're going to put in these 4 parameters. You're going to go to second vars 2 for the normal CDF, and notice for this first piece of the tail, you're starting at negative infinity and you're going up to this first value, 5.459. So you're going to put in negative 9999 for negative infinity, put in the other 4 parameters, and when you do that, you're going to get a value here of 0.054. That gives you the first tail. To find the second tail, you're going to look at what values start at the second value and go off to positive infinity. So you're going to enter in the 4 parameters this way. The top the limit that you're starting at, positive infinity, and then those 2 values. And when you put that in, you're going to end up with another 0.054. So if you add those 2 probabilities together, you're going to get 108. So your probability is it's about 10% of the time, or 1.108 times 90, and when you do that you're going to get 29.16, but we're going to round it to 29 coins. So that's the first part of the question. The second part of the question is it's asking if you put in 290 coins, what percentage of them are going to fall within the limits? So this time we're not talking about individual coins, we're talking about the mean of all those coins. So in cases like that, you're going to use the central limit theorem to approximate the standard deviation. And the standard deviation here is going to be the standard deviation of the individual divided by the square root of 290, and you'll get this number 0.00328. Also, we're not finding the tails this time, we're finding the area between the 2 of them. So again, you're going to go to your calculator, you're going to enter in these variables, and it's going to tell you the area on this side of this whole piece here is going to give you an area of 1. Get my pen back. This is going to give you an area of 1. And you want to subtract the area that's really, that gives you this whole piece here. You don't want the tail, so if you put the tail part in, it's going to tell you it's 0. And if you subtract, you're going to get 1. And when you put 1 into the problem, it's going to say you're wrong. And if you think about it, there must be something out here. Not everything sitting underneath this variable. There has to be some piece outside there. And if you go to your table, it's going to say for extreme z values, like we have, you want to use 0.001 for the area. So that means this little tail here is 0.001, and this little tail here is 0.001. And so what's inside here is 0.998. And so that's what you want to put in for the percentage here, 0.998. And the problem lies not so much with the table or your calculator, it just is you have to do some wiggle room here to make sure that you get the right number. And rest assured there's not a problem like this on the test, on the test. So hope that helps you solve this problem. The last part, by the way, says, which result is more important to the owner of the vending machine? Well, the owner of the vending machine does not want to lose sales, right? So he doesn't want rejected coins. So rejecting coins is important to him, so you're going to choose D here to get that third part. Hope this helps you. There's plenty more videos on Blackboard that will help you as well. Keep trying.